Hi everybody! It's Sashie Star here and little baby Athena-Grace. And today we thought we'd share some gorgeous, gorgeous rainforest magical waterfall energy with you while we're visiting this beautiful Goldstream park. And we're just hanging out. Pretty much baby's favorite thing to do here is throw rocks in the water. Here you go. Wow, big throw, dude. That was a splash. I'm so loving being here. Getting all rejuvenated and juiced up, breathing in all this supremely revitalizing air while I'm just about losing teeth from the rocks that are getting thrown at me. That was a big one!
Mommy, here. Mommy, here.
Whoa, that's huge! You think we can do it? Okay, ready? Here we go. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Big love to all you guys, from our hearts to yours. Little kiss. See you later, alligators. Ah.